Hello everyone, I am going to walk you through how to use the digital Toothy. I am going to show you what it's going to look like. In order to open this game, we'll call it, you're going to click on this box over here where it says pronouns with the 3 dogs underneath. Do not click the add response button, okay? So come on over here and just click on that. And then at the bottom, it'll say View as Google Doc. We'll click there. All right, and once it's all loaded, there is a button that says Present at the top of our screen over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and then it opens up everything in a full screen. So I just click on the screen, and this is the mouth that we're going to fill with our teeth. So it says click the tooth to continue. All right, at the top of the screen it gives you instructions. It says click on the pronoun that can be used in place of the underlined noun to get a tooth. So the first one says Tom went to the park and played ball. So we have to figure out the correct pronoun for Tom. Our choices are it, he, and we. And I know that Tom is a boy and he would be the correct answer. And it goes and puts a tooth in the dog's mouth. To continue, I just click on the tooth and we play again. The ham sandwiches are yours and mine. This time our choices are ours, he, them. Now, your child should be, trying to do this on their own. If they happen to get it wrong, I'm going to show you what happens. So the ham sandwiches are ours, he, or them. Let me just click on them. And it says try again. Click on the arrow to go back and try again. So it will give them a second chance to figure out the right answer. Okay? And the correct answer is ours. Again, it added a tooth into the mouth, and I can click on the tooth and keep playing. When you are finished, you can click the escape button, or on some screens there'll be like an X, a faded out X in the middle. You can click on that to get out. You'll keep playing until you go through all the slides, and there will be a slide at the end that says, you did it, amazing, congratulations. I hope that helped you. If you have any other questions, please let me know.